Friday, January 11th, and it is, I don't know what time it is, let's see. It is 9:02, and I woke up about 7:30 this morning, but I've just been laying in bed and on my phone and just kind of relaxing because I didn't want to get up at 7:30 since it's my day off this week. But I don't have anywhere to go today. I don't really have any errands to run, so I'm probably just going to take this time to relax. It's kind of my only day to relax until I move to Disney, and then there's like no relaxing after that. And so I am just going to like hang out, and my fiance's working, so that's not fun. But I'm just gonna get ready because I look like a disaster. This is what I look like when I first wake up. And I'm going to clean my room because it's a mess. I just have laundry to put away and all of that fun stuff. And then I need to kind of continue packing. I've packed up a lot of my things, and a lot of my other things can't really be packed up until probably next Friday, my next day off, because I leave that following Sunday. I leave on the 20th, and today's the 11th, so I have 9 days. So I've kind of packed up all of my clothes except for the ones that I wear on like a normal basis, which will go probably in my suitcase. And then I have a bunch of like signs on my wall that I'll show you later that I like don't really want to take down yet because like I still have to live in this room for I almost said 9 months, 9 more days. And so I still want it to feel kind of like homey, because it is my home, obviously, but I don't want to like wait till the last minute and then like have to pack them all up. But anyways, that's kind of what I have to do. I have to clean, I have to pack, I have to get my life together. That's what I say all the time. I'm like, I really need to get my life together. And I'm probably just gonna kind of relax, hang out with my little puppy, and just wait until my fiance gets off at 5, and then we have plans tonight to go hang out with some friends. So yeah, come along with me on this fun Friday. Okay, so I just washed all these dishes. I hate having a dirty kitchen. It's like one of my biggest pet peeves. So washed all those dishes, and now I am making some coffee. I have to drink decaf coffee. This is the coffee that I drink. Makes my anxiety really bad with regular coffee, so I don't drink regular coffee. And then this is I bought this for my fiance for Christmas because he really loved Joffrey's when we were in Disney, so bought him that. And then, okay, so I got dressed and I put some makeup on. I didn't record putting my makeup on because I have a makeup video and like how I get ready for the day video on my channel, which I'll link. My hand looks orange. Weird. But also the light in my room doesn't work. Something I need to fix before I leave for Disney. But I'm just wearing this baseball shirt. It's just a t-shirt. That is my fiance's actually, but he never wears it. I'm wearing some leggings, and I'm going to put on my pink tennis shoes. And then I don't know what I'm trying to say. I made my coffee. I made some iced coffee. I wasn't really in the mood for hot coffee, and so I just made some iced coffee, which I just put like all the ice in that cup and then pour it over, put some more ice in it, put some cream in it, and then I'm good. So I'm about to go get Chick-fil-A, which a lot of you probably don't know me, but Chick-fil-A is my life. At this point, it's not that I even crave it anymore, it's just convenient, and I don't really eat a whole lot of fast food, a whole lot of like other fast food places, because I'm just like really picky about like how things are made. And I used to work at Chick-fil-A, and so, you know, but it's just convenient. But my fiance asked me to pick him up some lunch, and so I kind of asked him if he would buy me some lunch, and now we have a deal. So he's gonna order it on his app, and I'm gonna go pick it up, and I'm gonna take it to him at work, which luckily is not very far. And then I'm just gonna come home and relax. I'm kind of like done. I still have to like vacuum my room and do some laundry, but I'm kind of done cleaning. And then like I said, I need to like pack. I need to like clean out things because I don't just want to like move all these things if I don't need them. So yeah, but I procrastinate and I don't want to do it right now. And I'm hungry. So I'm gonna go pick up some lunch and drop it off and then come back. So we'll see you maybe in the car. Wow, this is such good lighting. I love this. I just got to Chick-fil-A. Like I said, my fiance's gonna order online and tell him when I'm here. And so it's gonna take a couple extra minutes just because he's not actually the one here. And so I'm about to go in. It's in the background over there. But yeah, I put this jacket on. It's only 56 degrees outside. Got the goods. We are off to finally eat some food. We just finished lunch. I didn't record it because you're with his coworker, but we're wearing the same jacket. Hey, have a good day at work.
Thanks, love you.
Love you. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, okay, bye.
Bye. Are you gonna cut that out?
No.
That's super embarrassing.
How is it embarrassing?
I was gonna give you a kiss goodbye, but...
We already kissed goodbye.
Okay, you don't have to be mean to me. Come on.
Okay.
Stop. Love you.
Love you. He's so cute. And now he's going, he works at a high and dry, which if you don't know what that is, you can kind of see in there. He's embarrassed. You can kind of see in there, there's like boats in there. And it's basically just like, instead of keeping a boat at a dock in the water, they keep it up in here. Because a lot of people don't take their boats out like all that much, so. And then the water's like on the other side of the building, like on the, I guess, the back side. So, yeah. Okay, so, oh, that lighting. I am buckling my arm, hold on. I am gonna head home and take my dog outside. Is this zoomed in? Oh, it was. I'm gonna take my dog outside and I'm going to do all of the things that I said I was going to do earlier, but then I went and ate lunch instead. So I need to, I have the heat on and it's hot. I am going to vacuum my room and I need to put laundry on hangers, and then I'm going to probably just bite the bullet and take the stuff off of my walls and just have like a sad room for the next week. I just have a feeling, since I've already been anxious about leaving, that I'm going to be like super anxious next Friday and Saturday when I have off and just not want to like pack or anything. So I'm kind of just trying to like do everything now so that next week I can just kind of like pack my clothes and like clean up my room some and then like be on my way. So, and then pack my car. So yeah, I'm gonna go do that and I'm gonna get off of here because I'm about to get on a main road. Okay, I didn't record much before I started, but I started packing more because I'd already started packing. Started packing some more. My room is like a total disaster. I said I was gonna clean it, but instead I'm packing, and so now it's just even messier. So this is my nightstand situation. That needs to be cleaned. These need to go back in there, in that shoe thing, because these are the shoes I'm taking with me to Disney, and I'm not packing those until I leave. Even though there's a bunch of like sandals and stuff, I'm not packing like my suitcase until next weekend. This is okay. So I never finished yesterday's vlog, so now I'm gonna do a weekend in my life instead, and this guy's watching me. So we went.
I need to be over there.
We went to our friend's house last night, and we got there at like 6 and we left at like 12:15, and so we didn't get home until like 12:40, but we had fun playing games and stuff. And now I get up at 7 a.m. and take a shower and get ready because I'm going to cut my hair, and I am gonna cut it like a little bit shorter I like the length it is now, but if my program ends in May, but if I extend, I won't be home until like July, and I only trust like one person to cut my hair. And yeah, so that's where we are right now. I'm just gonna cut it so it doesn't like grow out insanely long, which it probably wouldn't because my hair doesn't grow that fast, but I just don't want it to like look bad in 6 months from now. So yeah, we're going to do that, and then it's kind of like gloomy and overcast outside. I kind of wanted to go to Target and maybe Walmart to like shop for some more like dorm stuff, but there's only one, like there's 2 ways for us to get to the Target we go to, but one of the ways is closed. It's a bridge over the bay, and it's a bridge over like this massive body of water. It's called the bay, and it's closed, and it's scary because they're opening it back up on Wednesday, but they have to do like construction on it, so like it's not safe still, but they have to open it back up. But anyways, we're going to get my hair cut, and then this is what it is now. So it's like just a little past my shoulders, and I might cut it like an inch or 2 just so it's shorter and less to deal with, and so it can grow out. So we will see you after my haircut. Well, hello. I got my haircut, as you can tell, considering the last clip you saw me, my hair was 2 inches longer, but I got it cut, and I really love it, and it's gonna be so easy for Disney, even though I already like couldn't put it up in a ponytail, and now I like really can't put it up in a ponytail, but I just wear, a lot of the times I wear it like half up, half down, and now I don't even think it'll go in a ponytail at the back of my neck. I used to put it up like, well, I used to put it like at the base of my neck, because that was like the only way I could wear it in a ponytail, but can't do that anymore. So yeah, cut my hair. We ate lunch at Zaxby's, and now we are going to Target. I need to pick up a few last minute things, like little things, because there's no room in my car. I need to get like a little fan and some command strips and just a few little things, and if I can't get everything, then I know there's a Target in Orlando, so I can get it there, but I just have gift cards left over from Christmas, so I'm happy to use them up. So we are headed to Target.
To help you get the price of coverage that's right for you. That's amazing.
Got to my poopy.
The only thing that would make this better is if my mom
My
were here.
fiance. We've got some tea because it's cold outside and we both don't feel that good. And yeah, it's just a lazy day. It's pretty gloomy outside, so we're just hanging out.
Summer practice the other day. Sammy Watkins. You wish you could have played with those gloves, huh?
I wish I could have played with those hands, honestly. That was amazing. Looked like this thing might end up being 10 for an interception, and it just sticks. We did see him do it in practice the other day, and it was as good as better than that one. So, yeah, when you put Sammy Watkins with this group of receivers, look out.
2nd down and 5. 4.5 left in the half. And it's fired on.
Hi. Hi. What are you doing?
Moving in together.
Come
It's a
here.
big step.
Oh.
Hi.
Hi. Hi.
It's an
Paw.
adventure.
Oh, thank you. You're so
A
cute.
test that Jeff failed miserably.
Oh, look at him. He just like put his head like in my hand.
The spacious Volkswagen Tiguan. More room means more fun.
Oh, my baby.
24-7 score. Mahomes, his first 17-game 60 this
Huh?
year, won last year.
Oh,
81 yards. By far the
we're going to dinner.
Oh, hey, Bobby.
We're going to dinner with Dawson's dad. And
Yeah,
Mr.
Mr.
Poopy can't come. We call him Mr. Poopy. I don't know why. He
Slightly
started
stuck in my
that.
pocket. Hey.
We're so hungry, but he's been asleep for the last like 2 hours, so see you at dinner. So I think I'm going to end this weekend vlog. I was gonna record a little bit tomorrow, and the lighting's really terrible. My light is out, my ceiling light is out, and so I have this bright fan that's just obnoxious. But anyways, I was gonna record tomorrow, but I'm just going to church and then coming home and probably like packing up some more stuff that I bought, or making a like what I've bought for Disney video. And then I'm going to lunch with some coworkers, and then I'm coming home and probably taking a nap because I don't feel that great. I don't know if I sound bad, but I don't feel great at all. And so, sorry. I don't feel great, so I'm probably just gonna come home and relax. So thank you for coming along on this Friday and Saturday. Pretty much my weekend, because those Sundays I'm just getting ready for work. But yeah, so make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.